Capricorn, this is your girl, the Pixie Goddess at the Pixie Goddess Tarot, and this reading is going to be for Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs in love. This is not a gender specific or a time specific reading. Energies are fluid, so take what resonates with you guys and leave what doesn't. This is meant for both single as well as coupled Capricorns. Let's see. Messages for Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs in Capricorn. Eight of Pentacles, Two of Cups, Seven of Pentacles, Six of Pentacles, and the Nine of Cups. Capricorn, I see you could be attracting another earth sign individual, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. You will be meeting your partner during work or some project that you are working on, or some office space that you're sharing, like a co-working space. This is going to be a relationship that is a soulmate relationship, which means it has been a part of your life for a lot of lifetimes. And this is a kind of relationship that will require patience and effort. And trust me, Capricorn, as and when this relationship grows, it's going to be fulfilling, it's going to be healthy for your mindset, it's going to be healthy and conducive for your creativity, and it's going to be emotionally fulfilling. You could be attracting an Aquarius person, an Aries, Sagittarius, or Leo person. Capricorn, this person could be a little naive, could be a little innocent. There could be an age gap between the two of you. But somebody wants to communicate about love, about a new beginning with you. And when this communication does come your way, guys, it's going to feel as if it is a wish come true. You could be faced with a lot of overwhelming emotions at once because, oh my god, you've suddenly found the love of your life. Now you want to get married, you want to have a family. Some of you would really want to move in together or see, how things work out in a live-in relationship. Whatever it is, things are going to move really fast. Try not to lose your head. Be present, be sane, and just keep counting your blessings, Capricorn. Because this relationship is one of the grandest blessings for you, coming in the month of October. You've got the Two of Wands. You've waited for this for a really long time, Capricorn, and now you're suddenly going to be manifesting it. Finally, things are moving in your favor. You could be relocating. Somebody could be relocating in your area or workspace or anything like a country or anything near you. Physical relocation or even emotional relocation. Somebody could suddenly start seeing you as a prospect, boyfriend, girlfriend, partner, and they want to offer you a new beginning, guys. A lot of pages of pentacles are coming up, a lot of new energy, a lot of freshness, a lot of childlike love energy is coming your way. This is going to be a beautiful union, Capricorn. Let's see some extra messages for you. These may or may not be directly related to your tarot. You've got the number 4, letter K, and the house card. Stability, warmth, home-like feeling coming into your life. You could be getting married because stability is coming in. You're seeing this partner as a lifelong partner, not a short-term fling or anything. And I see you guys are taking steps to build a beautiful home for yourself, like a life that feels like home. Sometimes people also feel like home. So this is the partner that you're attracting is going to be feeling like home. Forgiveness. Either you or somebody needs to forgive each other. Forgiving people will only open up channels in your life so that good things can enter. Take a break. Get off the treadmill. Stop running, Capricorn. Breathe for a while. Just sit back and relax. Do nothing. Sometimes doing nothing is very productive because then it rejuvenates your mind and you become extra creative. A personal issue reaches resolution. Look at the bigger picture. A Sagittarius Cancer person could be important. Take time to breathe out. Yes, please. Bring love into the situation. Aquarius is important. Taurus is important because prosperity lies ahead. Let's see an affirmation for my beautiful, beautiful, beautiful Capricorns. Believing in spiritual guidance gives me certainty and the freedom to keep dreaming even when I can't yet see the result. Having faith in that greater power is going to lead to good things. It'll help you ease out also. Capricorn, this was all. Thank you so much for giving me a chance to serve you. Do visit my channel again. Subscribe if you already haven't. And if you like this reading, please like, share, subscribe, or comment below. Thank you for watching. Bye.